pwede na po nating tingnan ang loob. Are you ready? Let's go! Go, go, go! Hola amigos! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's home o'clock. Welcome to my studio! I'm so excited to share to you my studio. Alam kong hinihintay nyo rin ito. Pero bago ko sa inyo ipakita, panoorin nyo muna to. This was it before. It's a neglected horseshed. From neglected horseshed into a nipa hut, like bahay kubo in Philippines. I am building my studio using recycled and reused materials, and I will do upcycling also.
I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford.
my friends gave this to me. These are the leftover from the project. So he said instead of throwing it away, he gave it to me. I'm so lucky. I'll use it for my cabinets and my desk. It's perfect. Thank you, Victor and Luigi. Now, pwede na po nating tingnan ang loob. Are you ready? Let's go! Go, go, go! Medyo umuulan po dito kaya naka-raincoat ako. Tingnan natin kung may tao. Tao po! Walang tao. Okay. Let's open the door. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my studio. These are my tools for jewelry making, and it's most of it are rusty because of not using long time. It needs cleaning. These are semi-precious stones from India. I am a force retired scuba diving instructor. I'm not teaching anymore, but I just want to see it there for memorabilia. Sewing machine. My sewing kit. What I did, I mounted a table here for my sewing machine. So, mounted it, so I will just pull it and set it up. Tada! Tiles, leftover tiles, that's why it's mixed. And this one is additional storage. Have to make it organized soon. Let it open. I just put net so flies or any other insect will not able to come here. I didn't put ceilings, I just painted it. So I have a natural air coming in. So this is my studio. Very small, but it's comfortable and I have a fantastic view. I can see what's going on outside. I can see my dogs, my chickens, and Don Pedro. And dito po ako nagwawalwal with my Infinity family. But as of the moment, wala pa akong kuryente. I don't have electricity yet, and that's I'm working about. And there will be part 3. So yan po ang aking studio at napakasarap tumambay because it's very relaxing and ang ganda ng view. And yung part 3 is ito pong labas kasi napakapangit oh. Ang gulo-gulo parang ako. So papagandahin ko po yan and I'll make it beautiful. I will try my very best to make it beautiful. And sana po abangan nyo. Please continue watching my videos and my uploads. And salamat sa mga subscribers ko, mga followers, and my Infinity family. Mahal na mahal ko po kayong lahat. See you again next time. Thank you for watching. Tal luego.